What's up, everybody? It's Pac-Man from Drunk Monkey Garage. So the battle with Jeremy over at Diamond Custom Paints has begun. Jeremy's doing a great job over there with his mini toolbox. I'm getting started on mine. Let me show you the progress so far. So in our last video, we got everything sanded, masked, and got a layer of silver metal flake and a little bit of gold metal flake mixed in with it. Since then, I've cleared it and sanded that down. So now we're ready for our graphics. The two suggestions I've gotten so far are crystal and flames. I'm going to try to figure out a way to incorporate both of those into my mini toolbox. Of course I've got to do some crystal. right, moment of truth. Oh yeah. The old crystal monkey juice did it again. I love it. Hope you guys like it. Make sure all those crystals are scuffed off. Yeah, that's looking good. Well, it's a start. So, we're off to a great start, I think. We've got some carbon fiber edging around the lid. Got a couple of metal flake pinstripes, a black pinstripe, and then we did the crystal in the center of the top. So this is the lid. I think I'm almost done with this. I may go in here with some candy colors and snazz that up a little bit. I've had two suggestions so far. One was the crystal and the other is the flames, which I've done videos on both of those. Do have a pretty cool idea. I'm going to incorporate a little something else in there with that, but we are going to incorporate some flames, the crystal, and something else. So if you haven't already, hit the like and subscribe button, hit the bell icon for notifications of future videos in this series. It's really exciting to be working alongside Jeremy Diamond over at Diamond Custom Paint. I love his videos. He's got some really good information over there. Make sure you head over to his channel and like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for notifications on his progress. And remember, at the end of this series, when we get done with our mailboxes, we're going to do a collaborative live and give these mailboxes away to 2 lucky winners. So stay tuned, and until then, cheers.